teacher? What is your problem, teacher?
I have something, teacher.
Yeah. What is it?
What
What is it?
is it? What is it?
Yeah.
What is your name, teacher? Teacher, what is your name?
Nothing.
What is your name, teacher?
I'm Vin.
You are teacher Vin?
Yeah.
And what is your apelyido?
AFG.
Hmm?
Vin.
How about your family name, teacher?
Their name is Vider Tamer.
Vin.
What is your complete name, teacher?
Vin Matthews.
How about your family name? What?
Their name is Mom, and is named the one dad is named Daddy. Hey, are you sleeping on the school?
Hey, are you sleeping in the school?
Look at teacher. Nagalagi kag stick, teacher. Mag-study na the teacher. Kato teacher number, teacher.
Wala pa mo to mag-start.
Okay.
Nag-start pa man ka sa alphabet.
Okay, good morning, teacher.
What is this? Letter A?
A tiny A, teacher.
No, it's a big A.
A tiny one.
Yeah, and this a B is so tiny.
What is the any B letter, teacher?
On this A, this.
Teacher,
Yeah?
can you tell me about the moon, teacher?
Moon.
Moon.
Yeah.
The red one, teacher.
And this on this, the red of night time is for blink.
How about the half moon, teacher?
This is for not is your light of
Did you forget what you taught me, teacher?
yeah, I forgot.
God. Tell me about the Civico, teacher.
Tell me.
And this is for this is the eagle
Okay.
flying.
Okay.
And this is for broke all the currency.
Currenty. What is currenty, teacher?
How about the
It's a wire.
It's a wire.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand, teacher.
Who is your Lala, teacher?
Is Lala angan kay Ginia.
Okay. Who is your Tata, teacher?
His name is Midil.
Can you
Midil.
explain the number, teacher?
There's a mosquito.
Teacher, can I ask something,
Teacher. Ano ba kag naong teacher?
What is this? What is this student? This.
I
What is
think
that? What is that? What's
Yeah.
that, teacher?
This is for the lock.
Lock? For what?
If you close this door, or you do this, that door, you cannot open it again.
Okay. Why do you need lock?
Because no thief can shoot.
can go inside.
Yeah.
No tip and so. Okay, teacher.
Teacher.
Teacher, where is our snack, teacher?
Or be done on the blackboard on your study, do a snacks. And you study now.
What's our snack now, teacher?
Your snack is so nice.
Why?
Because it's fried chicken. I love fried chicken.
What is your favorite food, teacher?
It's fried chicken Jollibee.
Why?
Because it's so good. It's spaghetti.
Why are you dancing, teacher?
I'll show you to dance.
Oh, how to dance, teacher?
Or we dance, it's like this. Like this. Or we dance,
Oh.
upon boys,
Oh,
you
for
do,
boys.
you do like this. You do like this.
Mm.
And
How
you
For
about
see-
girls?
For girls,
Yeah.
they do. They do like that.
You do like that?
You
Yes,
do
do
like that. For Lola.
For Lula,
Oh,
Yeah.
they can one Lula.
For grandma. Dance for grandma.
One.
How about for grandpa?
How about for
Grandpa?
grandpa? Yes.
Let's do this.
For mama.
For mommy,
Oh yeah, for mommy.
the word do this.
It's not a dancing.
For daddy.
Huh?
For daddy.
Daddy,
Yeah.
just this.
Dance din.
Daddy.
Teacher, teacher.
Yeah,
Okay ra ka, teacher.
yeah, I'm fine. What is this? Is letter T or letter O?
Letter T and letter O.
And what is this? Letter T, letter A. What is it?
Ta.
Yeah, T. Of the word of T, say ta.
Good job. What about the T and a O?
O,
T and a O.
that is mean T-O.
Huh?
Of F, say L.
How about S?
S.
S,
Sounds. Sa. Good job. How about O?
O,
Sounds.
O.
Good job. How about L?
L.
L. How about
D.
I?
I,
Sounds.
E.
How about D?
D.
D. How about A?
A, A.
Good job.
Of R,
Good job, mga teacher.
of R, O.
How about I?
E. Of T,
How about Y?
Y.
Y.
Y?
Y.
Yeah.
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 Oh, how about that?
Where?
Red. The red. A, B. Diba, kilid ba?
For
Red.
the upper left. Upper left. The right.
Red ba red? Color red.
The upper left.
Tubig
Upper
ba
left.
red ba?
Where's your left? No, that's a right. Yes, that one. Where's the left one?
Left this way.